Hi everyone, welcome back to 8th standard maths class. We are learning the chapter equations. Okay, and first two sections we have already finished. Now let's move on to our next section, that is algebraic method. Algebraic method means here we will use the variables. Okay, variable means from alphabet A to Z, any alphabet we can use as variable. Okay, now no more equations or no more explanations to give. We can directly go to the activities. Okay, here is your first question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 80 meters and its length is 1 meter more than twice the breadth. What are its length and breadth? Okay, these two we have to find here. So, let's see how to do this. Question, it is given that perimeter equal to 80 meter. Okay, perimeter equal to 80 meter of rectangle's perimeter. Okay, rectangle means like this. Okay, now length equal to 1 meter more than twice the breadth. Okay, 1 meter more than twice the breadth. Now what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Okay, so here 2 length and 2 breadth. So you know equation, perimeter of a rectangle equal to what? That is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, 2 length plus 2 breadth, that's why 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 80 is given. Okay, that is equal to 80 is given. Now in this section I told you have to consider variables. Okay, here we have to find what? Length we need to find and breadth also we need to find. So in order to find this, one condition is given in this question, that is length is equal to 1 meter more than twice the breadth. So first we want what? Breadth, then only we can write what? Length. Okay, so here dependent variable is breadth. So we have to consider first one, which one is a dependent variable. Okay, here first we need breadth, then only we can find length here. Okay, so breadth we can assume as what? Breadth equal to x. Consider breadth equal to x. Now if breadth is x, what will be length? Length will be equal to what? 1 meter more than twice the breadth. So 1 meter more means 1 plus, more means it is plus. So 1 plus twice the breadth. Twice the breadth means, twice means it is 2. 2 into breadth. Okay, 2 into breadth. Twice means it is 2. So 2 into breadth is what? Breadth is x here. So 2 into x. So breadth equal to x and length equal to 1 plus 2x. Now we have to apply these two values in this equation. That means here 2 into length plus breadth equal to 80. Okay, perimeter equal to 80 meter is given. Now let's apply these two values in this equation. Okay, so here 2 into length. Length is what? 1 plus 2x is length. So 1 plus 2x plus here. So plus here also. Next is breadth. Breadth is what? Breadth equal to x. So here we have to write x, bracket close. That is equal to what? 80 here. Okay, so we got like this. Now from this we are going to find x. After finding x, that is breadth, we will get. After that we can find length. Now the next step is, here 2 into one number is outside this bracket. That number we can take to this side. Algebraic method means our aim is only this variable term must be in this left side. All the remaining numbers must be in the right side. Like that we have to write. But it is not possible to write directly. One by one we have to write. So first of all, let's take this into 2 to this side. So here the remaining will be what? 1 plus, no numbers here. So it will be 1 plus 2x plus x. 2x here, 1x here. So total is what? Total is 3x. Okay, 2x plus 1x. Total is 3x. This into 2 here. So here remaining number is 80. So into 2 come to this side. It will be divided by 2. Okay. Into opposite is divide. So 80 by 2. 80 by 2 is what? 80 is half is 40. Okay. So we got 1 plus 3x equal to 40. Next is convert this number. Okay, you can't convert this plus 3 directly one by one. I told you one by one terms we have to convert to next side. So keep 3x here, take this 1 plus to this side. So the remaining will be what? 3x equal to 40 here plus 1 come to this side will be minus 1. Okay, so 40 minus 1 answer is 39. So we got what? 3x here, 3x equal to 39 we got. Now in the next step, we can keep x here and this into 3 to this side. This is the method. Okay, last only one variable will be here. So keep x here. X equal to 39 into 3. Into 3 come to this side. Into come to this side, it will be divided by 3. Okay, now in 3 only 1 3. Here in 3 only 1 3. In 9 how many 3's? 3. Okay, 3 3's are 9. So x equal to 13. X is what? We consider x as breadth of this rectangle. So breadth equal to 13. Breadth equal to 13 meter. Now what will be length? Length we wrote like what? 1 meter more than twice the breadth, that is 1 plus 2x. So here 1 plus 2 into x. X is what? 13 is x. So 2 into 13. Okay. Now don't add first. Okay. First you have to multiply. Okay. So 1 plus 13 into 2. 13 into 2 is what? It is 26. Okay. So total 26 plus 1 will be 27. So length equal to 27 and breadth equal to 13. This is the answer. Okay, length and breadth. Next is question number 2. From a point on a line, another line is to be drawn such that the angle on one side is 50 degree more than the angle on the other side. How much is a smaller angle? In this question, we have to draw a line from a point on another line. Okay, so a line is here. From this point we have to draw another line. Another line we have to draw. Condition is such that angle on one side must be 50 degree more than the other. Okay, 50 degree more than other. That is the question. Okay, you can see two angles here. Okay, one angle here, next angle will be here. One angle must be 50 degree more than the other. That means 50 degree more means this will be large angle and this will be short angle. So let's consider short angle. Okay, short angle as what? Always we will use x as a variable. Okay, so x degree. Short angle equal to x degree. Then next angle will be what? Second angle, this angle. It is given that it must be 50 degree more. 50 degree more means already x degree. For example, if this is 20 degree. Okay, if this is 20 degree, this must be what? 50 degree more it must be. 20 plus 50 must be here. That is the condition. Okay, so here we consider x degree as the first angle. The next angle will be 50 degree more means x plus 50. Okay, x and x plus 50. Now we have no equations given in this question. Okay, only thing is one line and another line. Now when you check this figure, you can see that it forms a linear pair. Okay, it's form a linear pair. Sometimes in the equation itself one clue is there how to find, but here it is linear pair only given. But we know linear pair means what? Sum of these two angles equal to 180. Linear pair means it is 180 degree. Sum of these two angles 180 degree. So we got first angle as what? X degree and second angle as x plus 50. Now when we add these two, we must get what? 180 degree. So we can apply that. That is x plus, second angle is x plus 50, that is equal to 180. Okay, now simplify this equation. 1x here, 1x here. So total is 2x. 2x plus 50. that is equal to 180. Okay, now keep 2x here. Take this plus 50 to this side. 1 by 1 you have to take. So keep 2x here equal to 180 plus 50 here. Come to this side. Plus here. Come to this side. It will be minus 50. Okay, that means 2x equal to 180 minus 50. Answer is what? 130 degree. Now what will be the next step? Keep x here. Okay, keep x here. X equal to 130 into 2 is here. Come to this side, it will be divided by 2. 130 divided by 2. So x equal to what? 130 is half. So 130 divided by 2 means in 2 only 1 2. In 1 no 2, we have to take this 13. In 13 how many 2's? 6 2's are there. 6 2's are 12. In here it is 13. So balance is 1. Write this balance in front of 0. So it will be 10. In 10 how many 2? 5 2's are there. Okay. So 65. So x equal to 65 degree. That means the small angle is what? 65 degree. Then small angle 65 degree means the next angle will be what? Second angle. Second angle will be equal to x plus 50. That is x we got as 65. So 65 plus 50. What is 65 plus 50? It is 115 degree. Okay, 115 degree. So first angle is a 65 degree. Second angle is 150 degree. When we add these two angles, we will get 180 degree as answer. So this is the answer for the second question. Next is question number 3. The price of a book is 4 rupees more than the price of a pen. The price of a pencil is 2 rupees less than the price of the pen. The total price of 5 books, 2 pens and 3 pencils is 74 rupees. What is the price of each? Okay, each one's price we need to find here. It is given that price of book. Okay, price of book is 4 rupees more than price of pen. And price of pencil is 2 rupees less than price of pen. Okay, these two are the conditions given. Now, these two values, price of book and price of pencil depends on what? This depends on price of pen. That means first we have to find what? Price of pen we have to find. Then only we can find price of pencil and price of book. So first of all here we have to consider, that means the variable will be here price of pen. Okay, so answer price of pen we have to consider as what? X rupees. Okay, price of pen we can consider as X rupees. Now if price of pen is X rupees, what will be price of book? Price of book will be what? It is given 4 rupees more than price of pen. Whatever be the price of pen, 4 more. That means x plus 4. Okay, 4 rupees more. That is x plus 4. Now what will be the price of pencil? Price of pencil is given that 2 rupees less than price of pen. 2 rupees less. Less means minus. Okay, so x minus 2. So we got these three are the price of pen, book, pencil. Now all these values are in case of variable. We have to find the exact value. For that it is given total amount of 5 book, 2 pen, 3 pencil is 74. These are price of 1 pen, 1 book, 1 pencil. So 5 book means it will be what? 5 book. 5 book means 5 into what? Book amount is x plus 4. So 5 into x plus 4. That means if 2 rupee is 20 rupee is the price of book, then in order to buy 5 book, what we will do? 5 into 20, 100 rupees we need. Okay, that's why 5 into x plus 4, 5 book. Now total means we have to add. Next is 2 pen. 2 pen means 2 into pens amount is 1 pens amount is x. So 2 into x plus 3 pencil. 3 pencil means 3 into x minus 2. So 3 into x minus 2. Okay. And sum will be what? 74. Total cost is 74. Now we are going to simplify this equation. So in the first step we have to open the bracket. Opening the bracket means, listen carefully, here one bracket, outside one 5. Okay, so in order to open this bracket, 5 into x. Okay, we have to multiply each and every number inside the bracket with number outside the bracket. So 5 into x first. Then next 5 into 4. Like this. So 5 into x is what? 5x. Plus sign here, so put plus sign. Next 5 into 4. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Next plus here. 2 into x is 2x. Okay. Plus 3 into x. 3 into x first. So 3 into x is 3x. Next here minus sign. Here positive sign. Positive into negative it is negative. Then 3 2s are 3 into 2 like this. So 3 2s are 6 equal to 74. Okay. Now in the next step, add all the x terms here. All the x terms. How many x total here? 5x, 2x, 3x. Okay. So 5x plus 2x. Here 5, here 2. So total it will be 7x. 7x plus 3x. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10x total we got. Okay. Total 10x. Now the remaining is plus 20 here, minus 6 here. So 20 minus 6, what is the answer? 20 minus 6 is plus 14. Okay. Equal to 74. Now again we have to simplify this equation. So for that, first take this plus 14 to this side. So the remaining will be what? 10x will remain here. 10x equal to, here number is 74. Okay. Now plus 14. Plus 14 come to this side, it will be minus 14. Okay. 74 minus 14. So 10x equal to 74 minus 14, answer is what? 60. Okay, now in the next step, keep x here, take this into 10 this side. So here 60 into 10 come to this side, it will be divided by 10. So here these two zeros we can cancel. Okay, because common number 60 by 10, answer is what? 6. Okay, so x equal to 6 what is x here? Price of pen. So amount for one pen is 6 rupees. Okay, then what will be the amount of book? Book amount will be what? Book amount will be 6 here. 6 plus 4, 4 more means it will be 10 rupees. Okay, now pencils amount. Pencil amount is book price, sorry, pens amount minus 2. Pen amount is 6. So 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, 4 rupees. So these are the answer. Pen 6 rupees, book 10 rupees, pencil 4 rupees. Okay. Next is question number 4. There are 5 sub questions. First sub question is, the sum of 3 consecutive natural numbers is 36. What are the numbers? Here we have to consider 3 consecutive natural numbers. We need 3 consecutive natural number. Consecutive means continuous numbers. Okay. Then natural numbers. So let's consider the numbers as numbers. First number equal to what? X. If x is the first number, next will be what? Natural number means 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, that means 1 is adding. Okay, so if first number is 1, second number will be 1 plus 1, 2. Third number will be 2 plus 1, 3 like that. So if first number is x, next number will be what? We have to add 1 more to this x. That is x plus 1 will be the second number. Now the third number will be what? That will be x plus 2. Okay, x plus 1, x plus 2. These are the what? First 3 consecutive natural numbers. 3 consecutive natural number. This x plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 here. That's why. Next will be what? X plus 3. Like that it will goes on. Okay. Now it is given sum of these 3 numbers are 36. So in the next step, let's add all these numbers. That is first x plus x plus 1. Second number x plus 1. Plus next number is x plus 2. The sum equal to what? 36. This is the answer, 36. Now in the next step, let's add all the x values here. How many x total here? X, 1x, 1x, 1x. Total is 3x is here, 3x. Now 1 here, 2 here. So 1 plus 2, 3. So 3x plus 3. First add all the x numbers, then add the numbers. Okay. Answer equal to 36. Now in the next step, plus 3 we have to remove from this side. So 3x equal to 36 plus 3 we have to write here. So plus 3 come to this side, it will be minus 3. So answer will be what? 33. So we got the 3x equal to 33. Now in the next step, keep x here and take into 3 to this side. So 33 into 3 convert to next side will be divided by 3. Okay. Now in 3 only 1 3. In 33 how many 3s? 11 3s. Okay. So we got x as 1. That means first number we got as 11. The next number will be 11 plus 1, that is 12. Next will be x plus 2, that is 11 plus 2, it will be 13. Okay, so these three are the consecutive natural numbers. When we add these three numbers, we will get the answer as 36. Second sub question is sum of three consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers is 36. Then what are the numbers? Consecutive even numbers. Previous case natural number. Here it is even numbers. So same like the previous case. First let's consider the numbers as what? First number as x. Then what will be the next number? Even number means it is like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Like this. That means 2 we will add. First number 2, next number will be what? 2 plus 2, 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Like that. So if first number is x, next number will be what? X plus 2. Okay. X plus 2. X can be any number. Now next number will be what? X plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Like this. X plus 2 plus 2. So answer will be what? X plus 2 plus 2, 4. Like this we will get. Okay. So here the next number will be x plus 4. Okay. So these three are the consecutive even numbers. Now sum equal to 36. So same like the previous case, just add these three numbers: x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Answer is what? 36. Now we have to add all the x values here. 1x plus 1x, 2x. 2x plus 1x, 3x. So total 3x. Just cut that. Okay. Next what remains? 2 and 4 remains. So 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 is what? 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. Equal to 36. Now in the next step, keep 3x here. Take this plus x6 to this side. So 36 minus 6. That is 3x equal to 30. 36 minus 6, 30. Now keep x here. 30 into 3 come to this side, divided by 3. So 30 by 3, answer is 10. So we got first number as 10. The next number will be what? 12. Next will be 14. Okay. So these are the consecutive even numbers with the sum as 36. The third sub question is, can the sum of three consecutive odd numbers be 36? Okay, is it possible? That we need to check. Three consecutive odd number equal to 36, is it possible? So odd numbers also we can consider like what? First number as x. Numbers as x like 1, 3, 5, etc. These are odd numbers. Here also what is adding? 2 is adding. Okay. So first number is x. Next number will be x plus 2. Then next number will be x plus 4. Okay. Now sum equal to 36. This is a question. Okay. If we add these numbers, whether we will get a number as odd numbers. Okay. But in the previous problem, we have already proved that when we consider these numbers, we will get sum as 36. But we got the number as what? even number we got, isn't it? We in the final answer we got x equal to what? 10 we got. That means what? If it is odd number, we won't get an answer as what? 36. That means sum of three consecutive odd number is not 36. 36 is sum of three consecutive even numbers only. Okay, odd number. In order to get sum as odd number, what we must have other than 36, because we already proved in the second sub question answer is 36 for the even numbers. Okay, similarly you can solve question number 4 and question number 5 same like first sub question and second sub question. Sum of odd number equal to 33 is given and sum of natural number is given as 33. So try to do that. Now the next question is question number 5. Two sub-questions are there. First sub-question is, in a calendar, a square of 4 numbers is marked. The sum of the numbers is 80. What are the numbers? Okay, here we have to consider a calendar. Let's see how to do this. In this question, we have to consider a calendar. Okay, we have to consider a calendar, and from the calendar, we have to mark 4 numbers, a square of 4 numbers. Okay, if we consider this month for the January, okay, you can see 1 2 3 4 up to 31 is here. From this we can mark any 4 number, a square of any 4 numbers. If I am marking like this, okay, 8 9 15 16, okay, I consider these 4 numbers, and here it is given that sum of these number equal to 80 is given. Okay, 8 plus 9 plus 15 plus 16. Okay, that number sum is 80 given. Then what are the numbers? That is the question. Okay, I just show an example here. Before considering that, we have to learn that what is the speciality of numbers in a calendar. Okay, numbers in a calendar. Here you can see moving forward 1 2 3, that means 1 is adding, moving forward 1 is adding. Okay, now moving downwards, you just check starting from 1. Next is 8, that means 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, then next number is 15, that is 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, now 15 plus 7 is 22. So moving downwards 7 is adding, moving forward 1 is adding. We can choose any number, but moving forward 1 you have to add, and moving downward 7 you have to add. Okay, so this is a speciality of calendar. Using this we have to consider the 4 numbers. Okay, we have to consider 4 numbers. Here we need only 4 numbers. Okay, question is, in a calendar a square of 4 numbers. Okay, 4 numbers, a square of 4 numbers is needed. So suppose if first number is x, what will be the next number? Here what will be the number? I told you moving forward 1 is adding. So here it will be x plus 1 will be the answer. First number is x, next number will be x plus 1. Then downwards will be what? Downwards adding 7. Okay, so first number x plus 7 will be here. Okay, x plus 7. Okay, now here the next number will be what? Either x plus 7 plus 1 as 8, or x plus 1 plus 7 also 8. Okay, 1 adding also x plus 8. For this number if we are adding 7 also, we will get x plus 8. So these are the 4 numbers. Now it is given that sum of these numbers, okay, sum of these numbers equal to 80. Then what are the numbers? That is the question. That means we have to add all these numbers. That is x plus, next is x plus 1, next is x plus 7, next is x plus 8. These are the 4 numbers. Sum equal to 80 is given. Now let's add all the numbers. X, 2x, 3x, 4x. Total 4x here. Okay, so just cancel all these x that after considering that numbers. So total 4x here. Next numbers. 1 here, 7 here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 4x plus 16 equal to 80 we got. Okay, now in the next step, keep 4x here. 4x equal to 80 plus 16 come to this side, it will be minus 16. Okay, now in the next step, 80 minus 16 is what? 64. Okay, 64 is the answer. So here x will be equal to what? 64 here into 4. Come to this side, it will be divided by 4. Okay, now 4 is a common number here. So 64 divided by 4. In 4 only 1 4. In 6 how many 4s? Only 1 4. 1 4s are 4. Balance is what? 2 is balance. 6 is here, no? So total remaining number is 2. Okay, write that 2 in front of 4. So this will be 24. In 24 how many 4s? 6 4s are 24. So answer is 16. That means first number is 16. So first number is 16 means next number will be what? 17 here. Here the number will be what? 16 plus 7 we have to write. Okay, 16 plus 7, that is 23. Next will be what? 23 plus 1? 24. Okay, so these are the 4 numbers from the calendar which gives a sum of these numbers as 80. When we add these 4 numbers, we will get sum as what? 80. Okay. Now the second sub question is, a square of 9 numbers is marked in a calendar. The sum of all these numbers is 90. What are the numbers? Previous case it was square of 4 numbers. Here square of 9 numbers. It's like this, we have to consider 9 numbers. Okay, 9 numbers means 3 rows and 3 columns. 1 2 3 here, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, total 9 numbers. Okay, so same like the previous case. First let's consider the first number as what? First number as x. Okay, first number x. Keep in mind this is from the calendar. Okay, so moving forward, 1 is adding, that is x plus 1. Next is what? X plus 2 here. Okay, now moving downwards, what will be adding? 7 is adding. So here it will be x plus 7. Now from here onwards we can add 1. So x plus 7 here means x plus 8 here, x plus 9 here. Okay, then again moving downwards, here x plus 7. In order to get this number, here it will be what? Don't write it as x plus 10, that is wrong. Okay, 7 is adding moving downwards. So here x plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So here the number will be x plus 14. Next we can add 1, that is x plus 15, then x plus 16. Okay, so these are the 9 numbers from a calendar. Now it is given that sum equal to what? Sum equal to 90 is given. Sum equal to 90. Okay, so for that we have to add all these numbers. So let's write all the numbers. That is like this we can write. Okay, like this we have to write all the numbers. Now we have to add all the x here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total 9x. Okay, now after that we have to add all the numbers. Don't skip any number. Okay, so when you add all the remaining numbers, okay, 1 2 7 8 9 14 15 x 16, when you add all these numbers, we will get the answer as 72. Okay, 72, that is equal to 90. Now in the next step, what we need to do? 9x keep here. So 9x equal to 90 plus 72. Come to this side, it will be minus 72. Okay, so 9x equal to 90 minus 72, that is 18. Okay, 9x equal to 18 we will get. Then x is equal to 18 into 9, come to this side, divided by 9, that is 2 we will get the answer. X as 2. That means first number is 2 here. So 2, next number will be 3, then 4. As it is a calendar, downwards we have to add 7. So 2 plus 7, that is 9. Then 9 plus 7, that is 16. Okay, so moving here 9, 10, 11. Here it will be 17, 18. Okay, so these are the 9 numbers from a calendar which give sum as 90. Okay, so that's all from this section.